A recent study on labor market discrimination shows that job applicants with Hispanic, African American, and Asian names are less likely to get a callback for interviews. A lack of diversity in the workplace can make employees' outlook myopic. They cannot see things from a different person's perspective. When there's no exposure to people from other cultures and of a different gender or color, there is the danger of employees displaying unconscious bias. There will be no tolerance for differences in such employees. In such a situation, working together with people who are different from oneself becomes difficult. Diversity not only ensures a variety of perspectives, but studies indicate that companies with diversity innovate at a higher rate, solve problems faster, and even achieve greater profits. So, what can you possibly do to make your workplace more diverse and inclusive? The answer is diversity training. Diversity training in the workplace is training to educate a workforce on the importance of building an inclusive, harmonious, and respectful workplace. Employees are trained on gender issues, different religions, ethnicities, and sexual orientations so that they can coexist professionally. The training raises awareness about why healthy working relationships with people from different cultures are important for employee productivity, retention, and business reputation. You can implement a workplace diversity training program with diversity training software and a well-designed course. Using these two resources, you can easily make employees aware of diversity issues and develop the necessary skills to handle diversity situations. Let them comply with the requirements of various laws pertaining to anti-discrimination and equal opportunities, including the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Not only that, you can also incorporate your company policies, such as the Code of Conduct, in the training to reinforce diversity in the workplace. For example, the ProProfs Employee Diversity Training course is designed by industry experts in consultation with seasoned instructional designers. The course is easily customizable, so you can tailor it to meet your unique learning and development needs. The course is ready to deploy in a single click through ProProfs LMS. Being cloud-based, it enables learners to learn anytime and from anywhere using a device of their choice. Instructors can track learning progress in real time and view delightful reports and analytics of individuals and groups. Diversity, equity, and inclusion training can help you build an accommodative workplace where everyone feels welcome and respected. The more diverse a workplace is, the more creative problem-solving you witness as different people with different experiences contribute to it. Also, an inclusive organization tends to reach out to more markets, enjoy a large market share, and increase its competitive edge. Diversity training in the workplace results in a culturally aware and vigorous team. In such an inclusive and equitable workplace, there are very few chances of conflicts. This, in turn, empowers you to build a productive, healthy, and successful workforce. ProProfs offers this and other workplace training programs. Sign up for free today and start delivering employee training right away. We are here to help if you need us. We have phone help, live chat support, and a huge knowledge base.